Hi, so our next lesson is going to be talking about introduction to WordPress dashboard. So what's the WordPress dashboard? Currently, I am on the WordPress dashboard. This interface you can see. So this WordPress dashboard is where you do all the activities such as the pages, you create the pages. When I mean pages, it's like the about pages, contact pages, my services pages, portfolio, my project, the home page. This is where you get to do everything. If you are a blogger, if you write blogs on, or if you write content on entertainment, football, betting, or technology, if you are a blogger, this is where you get to write all the recent posts. There are differences between pages and posts. Or pages are the one that are more of like static, they are just there, while blogs are the one that frequently change. Like if you're a blogger, every day you get to release different content. So this is where you get to write the new post you are about publishing. So everything you get to do is on this dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard is simple. If you want to install your WordPress plugin, you get to use it on the dashboard. The theme, so I'm going to be explaining what the theme is later on. So you do everything here. The username, if you are a blogger and you have more than 15 writers on your blog, you get to add them on your dashboard. So dashboard is the power room or the powerhouse that you use to do every other kind of design you have to do on your website. So this dashboard is what translates to the front end here. So this is what people get to see. The dashboard is what allows you to enter this text, allows you to arrange these images, allow you to add this button. This is called button. I'll be showing you how to add the button later on. It allows you to add this section, this counter. It allows you to do different things. Allow you to add my services, all this layout. It also allow you to add this stuff here. So this is how it looks like. It's the dashboard that makes you execute all these things. So our next lesson, we'll be moving to our next lesson where we'll be sharing different step-by-step guide on how to create your blog post, how to create your pages, how to do a few other things that can produce this front end. See you in the next lesson.